Alright guys, this is Trey with Seymour Artifact Adventures. This is for 365 Headhunter's Bird Point Challenge. These are some of mine that pretty close to a dime. Not only are they on dimes, if you look close, they're all Mercury dimes. Look at these dudes. Most of these were found on the village site. And here's a few that didn't make the cut. Some of them are close, but this is the one piece of gold I found. 14 karat. That one there is really nice. Biogula. This is a piece of gun flint that I found on an Indian site. It's a piece of French gun flint. All right. And Nick sent me a picture of some of his. I'll include that at the end of the video. He had a few that were pretty close to a dime. But as always, thanks for watching. Later.